Welcome to Sardar Patel and Vithalbhai Patel Memorial Hall and Garden, Karamasad, Anand, in Gujarat. Garden and memorial time are mentioned on this board. You can see. Ticket counter, you can buy tickets. ₹15 ना? Please go there. Anand has Amul factory and many other things. But Sardar House and Memorial you should never miss, and you should plan for it whenever you are coming to Gujarat, particularly in Karamasad, Anand. Beautiful garden you can see inside this Sardar Patel Memorial Hall. There is a kids playground, so you can come and you can enjoy with your kids. There are many things inside this. So let's walk inside. This is Sardar Patel Memorial Hall. The place has well-equipped auditorium. Historical photographs and belongings of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel are there in the museum on display. Those tourists and visitors who are coming to a Statue of Unity, they can also visit this ancestral place of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Memorial Hall, and one house is there, Sardar House, that also you can visit. We are going inside. Evening time, so you can see there are many lights.